Hi friends, thank you for watching my first video of last week. That was introduction of Paulus Arimpur. Now I welcome you to my second YouTube video. I have listed the topics of my YouTube video. As per that list, the first topic is personality development, which is the need of the hour. 2400 years ago, Socrates said, an unexamined life is not worth living. We all learn driving, but we need a license from RTO. So in the same manner, we need to learn TA concept and check whether our personality is proper or not. Psychology is the scientific study of human mind and its function, especially those affecting behavior because we are dealing with human beings. Transactional analysis is one of the 57 subjects of psychology. Late Dr. Eric Berne, who lived in 1910 to 1970, he was a MD psychiatrist. He developed transactional analysis, that is TA, and established International Transactional Analysis Association in California, USA in 1964. Then it spread to many countries. In India, late Father George Kandathil, who lived during 1920 to 2011, brought it to India and established ICTA, that is Institute of Counseling and Transactional Analysis, Kochi in 1973. Well, everything happens on a good occasion. I learned my first lesson of TA, that is personality, structure and function, parent, adult, child, what is the structure and what is the function. This I studied while studying business administration in 1984 from IMDR under executive skill development. Many colleges, especially management schools, have included TA as a part of the syllabus. After 20 years, I joined ICTA. We have a study center called Pune chapter. After studying TA, I started practicing universal brotherhood because I believe the creator for all 247 nations are same, and therefore people living in all 247 nations are my brothers and sisters. I do not ask anybody from which country you are and what is your religion. As a leader, TA helped me to understand myself and others. I was able to have effective communication and healthy relationship with our customers, dealers and my colleagues. Now ITAA have defined what is transactional analysis. Transactional analysis is a theory of personality and a systematic psychotherapy for personal growth and personal change. Now let's see what are the applications. The applications are theory of personality, theory of communication, theory of child development. We need to understand our life pattern originated by writing our life script during 0 to 6 years. Theory of psychotherapy. Now, everything has got certain assumptions. Now, TA also has got certain assumptions. Now, let's understand what are the philosophical assumptions of TA. So, we understand about people, life, and the possibility of change in line with these changes. There are three assumptions. The first one is people are okay. You and others are got worth, value, and dignity as people. You may be highly qualified, you may be millionaires, but as a people, all are same. Start with accepting yourself and accept others as they are. Second philosophical assumption is everyone has the capacity to think. It is the responsibility of each one to decide what they want to in their life. With their personality, that is thought, feeling, behavior, you can become a millionaire or with negative state of mind, you become a beggar also. People decide their own destiny, and these decisions can taken in childhood during 0 to 6 years can be changed with awareness in your grown up life. Now, everything has got a goal. Now, let's understand the goal of TA. You see in the picture a basketball. The goal of TA is autonomy. There are three components: awareness of information, what is going around us, what are the options, and which option is better. This will help us to respond effectively. Second element is spontaneity. We need to respond as quickly as possible. There are many people who don't respond at all. They never respond or they respond very late. Third component is intimacy. We should have a game free relationship with people without wearing a mask. What we are told to someone can be told to anyone. That should be our strategy. So we need ability to solve day-to-day problem with our skills. I want to 1 minute. I want to explain you about autonomy. I want to explain you about autonomy. We lost our autonomy during childhood. That is during 19 to 36 months during toilet training. Parents gave us controlling commands like hurry up, try hard, be perfect, please mother because mother has to go to work, and be strong till mother come back. Autonomy means free from control of others. Example, an engineer was interviewed for a job. He was selected, but then he told that he has to ask his father to join. The director got angry and told him to get out because he told him a person who cannot decide, who is not autonomous, cannot be successful in the career. A child began to say no in an attempt to establish his own autonomy. Parental controls makes the child rebellious and child remain passive. Parents has to assist the child to think to learn. The TA concept gives awareness, options and skills for problem management and personality development to enhance what are the qualities, strength, resources and functioning to increase autonomy. In corporate world, team leaders encourage autonomy to their colleagues for personality development. Learn to say yes when you wanted and no when you don't want. Be assertive. Now, transactional analysis has got four analyses. The first analysis is structure and function of ego states. That is, we have got three ego states: parent, adult, child. We all started as a child. 0 to 6 years is childhood. The thought, feeling, behavior of this age is called child ego state. 7 to 13 we start copying parents. So the behavior copied from parents later become the parent ego state. And after 13 to 19 we start developing problem solving abilities. We collect information to decide what are the options we have got. Depending on uh, what we develop, it become healthy or contaminated. Second analysis is how we use ego states. How you use ego states to communicate. Let me tell you, we all use ego states to communicate. Sometimes we reply from child ego state. Sometimes we reply from parent ego state. Only very rarely we communicate from adult ego state. In corporate world and all, what we require is an adult ego state. That is giving a expected answer. For example, if somebody asks you what is the time, you look at the watch and tell the time. This is a healthy communication. In unhealthy communication, without looking at watch, you will say, why don't you look at your watch? There are three types of transaction: complementary, cross and ulterior transaction. Complementary transaction is giving a expected answer. With complementary transaction, you can continue to talk for hours together, days together without hurting each other. In cross transaction, you cut the communication. For example, if somebody asks you what is the time, when you say when you say the time, it is a complementary transaction. When you say why don't you look at the watch, it is a cross transaction. So the communication cuts, and there are ulterior transaction. People with transact with ulterior motives. Do we give and take appreciation to satisfy our psychological hungers? You have to understand we all got psychological hunger. We all want appreciation. So start giving appreciation and take appreciation because we all need that. We have got a psychological hunger. We need to restructure our weak hours for success. The third analysis is called script analysis. You know, in movie or drama, people write for movie or drama. But in our own case, our script is written by us. That is written during 0 to 6 years under the influence of parents. We were not aware because we were a small child, infant or baby. A happy child, when you talk about happy child, if you get your needs and desires, then you become a happy child. A happy child become a successful person in grown up. If you did not get your needs and desires, then you become a loser. In grown up, you become a failure. A loser live with stress, and with the stress, your relationship with others is very bad. You harm self and others. And the fourth analysis is called psychological games. When we ask somebody, do you play psychological game? They say no. But then let me tell you, friends, we most of us play psychological game. How do you know whether you have played psychological game or not? In a transaction, you communicate, you say yes, or you say what you come to from ego state. But afterwards, you feel I should have not said that, or I said it like that. He said like that. I felt it bad. If you are feeling bad about you and about other person, about a transaction taken place, it means you have played a game. You could be a prosecutor. You must have criticized him. You must have condemned him as a prosecutor. On the other side is a victim. He must have been insulted. He must have been felt bad, or you must have labeled him as inefficient, idiot. And there is a third character called rescuer. He tried to rescue you. When you are playing a game, you have gone to your child script. Well, friends, let me explain you what are the benefits of TA. After studying TA, I could make personal change in my both official and family life. I could get extension of my job for 5 years, which is very rare. Nowadays, people are sacked 5 to 10 years earlier. Whereas I was happy to get extension happily from my boss. I lead a happy life with a good relation with all. Participants of my TA workshop felt they should have studied TA before getting married and having children. I'm sure you will understand this one. Did you find this video interesting? If so, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share, and to receive notification, press all icon bell. If you like to attend my personal change for growth online session during 9 to 12 July, please send message on my WhatsApp number 9822876170. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.